How to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Number 1. Start a gaming channel. You don't have to do live streaming to start a gaming channel. All you have to do is to create clips from the games that you like to review. It's a good start for game fanatics who don't want to show their face. Number 2. Start a motivational channel. Motivational and inspiring channels are great ideas to start a YouTube channel. In this niche, you don't have to show your face or even use your voice. Just create a motivational video that will inspire people. Number 3. Start a product review channel. If you like shopping, creating a product review channel will be a good fit. All you have to do is to show them the products and add a few descriptions. You can start by buying them, and when your channel gets popular, you can even get. Number 4. Start a tutorial channel. Tutorial channels are popular around the YouTube community. It can help a lot of people to show them your expertise. Number 5. Use Creative Commons. These videos can be reused, so you will not have an issue with the copyright. Just upload them after editing them to customize according to your taste. You can read the whole article from the website, Financial Freedom and Writing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.